the graduate of the class of 2011, Mr. Alan Cross.
Hey Steve, you ever thought you'd be filming this like you did the last film?
Alan was a multi-sport standout here at Millington with football, basketball, and baseball. Made it to the AutoZone High School All-Star game, was an all-region performer, played tight end, linebacker, long snapper, even threw a pass or two. Was the Millington Star Male Athlete of the Year in 2011. Walked on to the Memphis Tigers, earned a scholarship there, and he signed recently as an undrafted free agent with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. You know you made the big time when Jameis Winston thanks you in the post-game show, along with your dad as well. I heard that. We are presenting him with his actual jersey that he played in. We're retiring his jersey tonight. The administration of the high school, they're presenting it. Thing that you've been able to do in your life. And we know you'll continue making us proud each and every time. Thanks, Alan.
That's cool, man. Thank you very much.
Sure.
That's right there.
That's awesome.